Okay, so what I'd like you to do is to complete this statement thinking about something that you do pretty regularly, okay, pretty consistently, okay, something that you are interested in. Um, and by the way, you do not need to be an expert at this idea at all. I'm just trying to get some good information from you to know what you're interested in. Um, so then when we do examples of these throughout the class, I can use students' examples instead of making up my own that were from a textbook that aren't really very interesting. So we're trying to learn something about you. Um, Here's some examples. I've done these a lot in the past. I've had students do these in the past. I've had kids say things like, I watch YouTube 4 hours every day. I have 2 soccer practices every 1 week. I brush my teeth 5 times every 1 day. And of course, the number one doesn't necessarily have to be there to make sense, but to do what we're doing, you need to put the number one there. Okay, I jog for 30 minutes every 2 days. Okay, horses, on my phone, chewing gum, mowing 5 yards every week. See, it could be anything that applies to you. Okay, and it doesn't have to be um, absolutely true. Okay, mine is I drink 3 cups of coffee every 1 day. I drink 3 cups of coffee every day. Well, usually, but there are days I drink 4 cups of coffee, and there are bad days. Maybe I'm going to drink 7 cups of coffee tomorrow. Okay, but I would say on average, I drink about 3 cups of coffee every day. So I'm just going to leave it at that. So does not have to be exact at all, but just make it exact. Make a statement that shows something that you're interested in, and uh, fill this out so that we can use this in class. So don't put anything too personal that you don't want to be used in class. Okay, so I'm going to do I drink 3 cups of coffee every day. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to type in drink for my verb part of the statement. I drink. Okay, 3 is the number, and then my label for 3 would be cups of coffee. Okay, so I drink 3 cups of coffee every 1 day. And you'll see this in further slides that the cups of coffee is going to be what I'm going to put on my y-axis. And my every day, that day part, the days are going to be what I put on my x-axis. Okay, but really take your time on this. Think of something that you do pretty normally, pretty regularly, that you would like to share with the class. Okay, your things you do after school, sports, anything that's what maybe tell the class a little bit more about you. Okay, this is supposed to be fun. Okay, this is supposed to be a good thing to help you guys get to know each other a little bit more, a little bit better. Okay, let me know if you have questions, and I'll help you.